What if I told you the fastest way to transform your life is to disappear? Not in a literal sense, but to quietly step back, cut the noise, and focus entirely on becoming the best version of yourself. Most people fail because they let the world in too soon, but not you. Here's the step-by-step blueprint to disappear, transform, and re-emerge stronger than ever. Step 1. Stay silent. Your mouth is your biggest enemy when it comes to transformation. Oversharing your plans and progress weakens your focus and invites unnecessary opinions. Starting today, say less. Keep your goals to yourself and learn to value your privacy. Be a mystery to the world and watch how much easier it becomes to focus. Step 2. Stop caring what others think. This one's tough but essential. Most people care way too much about what others think, and it's holding them back. Reprogram your mind to care only about one opinion, your own. Imagine yourself as your greatest mentor. Are you proud of your actions? Would the future version of you approve of how you're spending your time today? That's all that matters. Step 3. Protect your plans like a treasure. When you're excited about a big goal, the urge to share it is overwhelming, but resist it. Treat your plans like they're sacred. Every word you share about your ambitions gives others a chance to doubt, criticize, or steal your energy. The less people know, the better. Step 4. Keep your progress hidden. Transformation takes time. As you improve, whether it's in your fitness, finances, or skills, resist the urge to show off. Don't reveal your new physique, your growing bank account, or your hard-earned achievements until your transformation is complete. Let your results speak when the time is right. Step 5. Embrace the struggle. Disappearing and transforming isn't easy. You'll face failures, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But here's the key. Don't seek sympathy or validation. Cry, sweat, and bleed in private, and let those struggles strengthen you. Each moment of pain is building the version of you that the world isn't ready to see yet. Step 6. Make your life revolve around your goal. To truly transform, you need complete focus. Write down your goal and design your life around it. Every decision, every action should move you closer to your target. Want to get fit? Live closer to the gym. Want to start a business? Schedule time every day to work on it. Transformation isn't a side hobby, it's your mission. When you finally reappear, the world won't recognize you. And the best part? You won't care because you'll have built a life you love in the shadows. Ready for your next step? Check out our video on 6 ways to build unstoppable inner strength to continue your transformation journey.